I come from a technology background, I would like to know how you see technology playing a role in coming years down the lane.
Without technology, we will not be able to deliver. If some of you remember, I was additional CP traffic from 2008 to 2011, almost 4 years. And the only thing I did, and we were the first one in the country to introduce this Blackberries and all that thing. Because earlier they would write challans and all, you can't read what he has written, he also can't read. You don't know whether money is being deposited in the treasury or it is going to his pocket. You don't know whether fine is 300 or it is 100 what he has written, and then negotiate and all that thing. We abolished all that. Just enter, give them Blackberries, and now PDAs, enter the vehicle number, enter the offense amount, will come automatically. It is connected to the real-time database, everything, no hanky-panky and all. So that was the first infusion of technology. Then you saw all the cameras coming in the traffic. Today, before you go back, you must visit our NUM 100. General Sahab, all of them should go to NUM 100 and third floor and see what we have done in last 2 months. Earlier, passport verification used to take 40 days, 50 days. Today, our average passport verification time is about 12 days because the fellow goes with the tab and everything is done real time. The moment you apply in the Passport Seva Kendra, within 30 seconds, the application lands in police station thanks to technology. So, technology is the only way out. We cannot keep adding number of policemen. It is not going to make any impact. And especially in Bangalore, because Bangalore citizens are so tech savvy, and that is the best way of connecting with the citizens.